What's up guys, welcome back to Cooking with Lev YouTube channel. I'm going to be making Loco Moco today. Very famous traditional Hawaiian dish. It's been around since 1949. Usually it gets done with burger patty, but I'm going to be using roast beef. So let's go ahead and start cooking. I'm going to be cleaning the meat and cut into nice steak sizes. This is going to be enough serving for 10 people. So I got nice beautiful pieces here. So first we're gonna cut into nice steak sizes and then we're gonna stir fry it. Alright guys, so we're done stir frying the beef. Now we're gonna go ahead and cook that in red wine with beef stock. Start cutting some vegetables. We need 1 onion. We're gonna mince it. Five cloves of garlic. We're gonna go ahead and add salt and pepper, approximately 1 teaspoon. I'm gonna add about 1 teaspoon of thyme, about 3 to 4 cups of red wine, about 1.5 cup of beef stock, and we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and we're gonna bring this to a boil until we add the beef. Okay, I'm gonna start preparing the rice for our Loco Moco. We're gonna cook 2 cups of rice. And we're gonna cook it with chicken broth. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and add the chicken broth. We're gonna bring it to a boil before we put the rice. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and start adding about 1/2 cup of flour to make the sauce thicker. Okay, now chicken broth is boiling. We're gonna go ahead and add the rice now. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and add the beef. And we're gonna simmer this for approximately 1 hour on a low heat. We're gonna make sunny side up light egg, which we're gonna put it on the Loco Moco. Thank you guys again for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It looks very good, very delicious. Give it a try, you won't be disappointed. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notifications, and don't miss out on the upcoming videos. Thank you guys again for watching. Cheers.